Hello, welcome to N-Scale Friday. My name is John, and today we're looking at a beer can tank car. These are also known as Shorty tank cars. This model comes from Atlas. It's from their Trainman series. And the MSRP of this model at the time of this recording is $24.95. The Atlas website has a whole lot of these in different road names and road numbers, paint schemes. So your best bet is to go to the Atlas website, see if they have what you're looking for, and then shop around for the best price. So these Shorty beer can tank cars have been made by Atlas for a really long time, and this release is consistent with what we've seen in the past on these models, with the molded detail, such as the ladder that goes down the side here. And then the paint and printing on the model looks really good. The brake end of this model has a separately applied brake wheel, and then this structure on the end that has the crossover platform and molded detail in it appears to be a separately applied piece as well. Here's a look at the other side of the model, and you can see it has really clean printing, just like the side we already looked at. Here's a look at the A end of the car, and you can see it has detail consistent with the brake end. One thing to point out, and this is also how the brake end looks, but this platform that goes across here has molded detail on it. The hatch and vent detail on the top of the model is pretty complete, including a separately applied cylinder here and a pretty good looking hatch, I might add. The bottom of this model doesn't have a whole lot of detail on it, but I will take this opportunity to point out that it has truck mounted couplers. This model weighs 0.7 of an ounce. And here's what the NMRA's recommended weight is for a car of this length. Just over 0.8. So I don't think there are any big surprises with this model. I think Atlas has been making these Shorty beer can tank cars for a really long time. And I have to say that I've actually seen a unit train with about 80 or 100 of these things in tow, and it looks really cool. So another great release from Atlas in another paint scheme. Good job, Atlas. I'll see you all next time.